This high protein pasta recipe is one of my go-to meals when I come home tired and hungry and I don't feel like cooking or doing dishes. The sun-dried tomatoes and artichoke hearts in this pasta make you feel like you're at a cozy cafe in Italy, but it comes together in just about 20 minutes and you can get all the ingredients at one store. I got all mine in one Trader Joe's run. I'm Kat. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using red lentil pasta. One serving of this pasta has 15 grams of protein, making it much higher protein than your traditional white pasta. Add about half a bag or 6 ounces of pasta to already boiling water. Add a dash of salt and a dash of oil to keep your pasta from boiling over. Bring to a boil and cook to the package directions. Do not overcook this pasta or it will get mushy. I love these sun-dried tomatoes because they're packed in a little bit of olive oil and they save us time because they're already spiced. But they are packed in oil, so I'm going to drain them. I'm also going to drain the liquid from my artichoke hearts, and then I'm going to dice those up while my pasta cooks. While your pasta's cooking, chop up your artichoke hearts and your sun-dried tomatoes into smaller pieces. You can take off the stems of the artichoke hearts if you want. I like them, so I leave them in. Drain your pasta. Add a tablespoon of plant-based butter to the pot that your pasta cooked in. Now go ahead and add your sun-dried tomatoes and artichoke hearts to that same pan and just hit it with a dash of salt. Add in your pasta and mix it together really well. You can add more salt to taste if you want. And now it's time to plate it up with our final touches. We're gonna finish this recipe the same way we would finish any great Italian recipe, by putting a dash of Parmesan cheese on it. This is vegan Parmesan from Trader Joe's. It is quite delicious. This easy, healthy recipe came together in under 20 minutes and there's only one pot to wash. It's high in protein, it's low in fat, it's delicious. You're gonna wanna eat the whole pan. Remember, if you like this recipe, I post new recipes every Friday. Hit that thumbs up button so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.